How to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. In this video, I'll show you how to convert Bitcoin to USDT on Binance fast and easy. So let's get into it. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and simply log into your account. Now tap on the trade at the bottom, then choose convert from the menu. If you can't find it, you can simply search for it. Let's see here. Tap on it. Here you can simply find an option called buy. Simply tap on it, enter how much Bitcoin you want to buy, and after you've done that, you'll be able to convert whatever you have. Simply tap on convert, then tap preview conversion to see the exchange rate. If everything looks good, tap convert to complete the transaction. It usually takes a few just seconds. I just don't have any of the Bitcoin, so it is not being able to show, but if you have Bitcoin, you'll be seen. To confirm, head to your wallet and you'll see the USDT you just converted from Bitcoin. And that's it. That's how you convert BTC to USDT on